Think it's gonna be tough?
We've never done it before.
Yeah.
Me about my safety gear.
Why are you wearing safety gear?
I've seen renovation realities. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be good.
I hope so.
Like the process might not be good, but like the end process, like if you can see what's in this head, it's gonna be so good. Again, I've seen renovation realities.
Okay.
I know. Even though we prepared, like, something's gonna go wrong. I just know it.
Yeah.
It always does.
Yeah. The process of cleaning up, turns out the boys got against one of the burners on the stove and turned one of the burners on without actually like igniting any kind of flame. So all it was doing was just letting out a bunch of gas. So that's fun. You know, when we bought this house, you thought we were going to be doing the tile floors that year.
I did. And we're like, what? 4?
Yeah. It's been
4 years into it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, dream big.
Like, why? Why so many? So I guess today should be fine. It'll be tomorrow when...
You don't think we'll get it all done today?
I don't know. I don't know. All right, today we're gonna take our dogs to my parents' house because
if you're going to be a part of this family, you have to contribute.
So today we are also gonna go run by our big box store, pick up a, what is it, a chisel?
Demo hammer, actually.
Demo hammer.
Yesterday we used a roto hammer. And the demo hammer is actually like the big brother. It's got a wider chisel. We're hoping with a THINSET that's going to help us to get that up faster.
All right, let's go. All right, so we headed out to get the tool that we needed, got back, had some lunch. We were just about ready to start on the rest of the demo, only to realize that they gave us the wrong tool.
Yeah, the wrong chisel. They gave us a chisel for an actual jackhammer, and this is not an actual. We don't want to tear the concrete out of the floor. So we're just trying to get the THINSET up. So we had to make another trip back to the store.
Because we've got nothing better to do. I mean, we don't...
not in a hurry.
No, not at all.
Apparently not. We didn't start till noon.
Anyways, we're ready now. So, let's go.
All right, so this is day 3-ish. We were hoping to have it done in 2 days, but we're pretty much done. The only thing we've got left is there are a few high spots that we need to hit. I had the boys circle those with chalk last night just to help kind of know where those were at and speed up that process. And then also, we've got to pull up the tile in the pantry. It's not very big. It won't take very long. We just got done late last night and didn't really want to take a chance on waking up our neighbors. So we went ahead and just left that for today. So other than that, we're pretty much going to wrap this thing up. We're hoping just an hour or two. First thing I figured out about this thing today, on day 3, this thing's really heavy.
On a scale of 1 to 10, would you do it again?
Yeah. On a scale of, why can't it just be yes or
okay.
no?
Would you do it again? Yes or no?
Yes, I would, because it's over.
I think it's gonna be like pregnancy, like after you have a baby and you forget the pain that you go through and then you want another one. I think that's this. I think that is taking up tile.
I don't think I want another one.
No, I don't either.
Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in this week. Hopefully you enjoyed that video. If you did and you want to see the house before we ripped out the tile, you can click right here and check out that video. Other than that, we drop videos every Wednesday, so be sure to check back, and we'll catch you guys later.
See ya.